Hello and welcome back. Today I will show you how we can quickly find and replace text. Let's go to our design. Here I have my extensive Canva master course slides. It is 42 slides. And for example, I want to search slide with word photo. So let's go to top menu, click file, and here we can click find and replace. Or we can just click Ctrl plus F and we can enter what we want to find. For example, I am entering photos and I see here is 4 slides with this word. So I'm clicking arrow and I can see my slides with this word. Or we can enter text. For example, I'm entering pictures and we can replace it. So I have 2 slides with word pictures and I can replace it with photos. If we want to replace only one slide, we can click replace, or if we want to replace all slides, we can click replace all. And here you go. So it is a very wonderful and fast way not only to find the necessary text, but also to change it. I hope you like this tutorial. Click like, subscribe, and if you want to learn more, check my extensive Canva master course on udemy.com. Link you will find in the description. See you next time.